Hello. So today we are going to discuss about revolve outline command. So this revolve outline command is useful when you are working on the non-parametric model. Non-parametric model is nothing but feature history is not available in part navigator, or you can't be able to change any feature or any dimensions after double clicking of this model. Generally revolve outline command is available in bottom of this revolve command, but in my NX version is 2027. This is not available here, and also search in menu bar, but also in menu is also not available. So better way to search this command in search bar. Just type revolve. After typing revolve, this command is comes revolve outline. Click on revolve outline command. Make sure your body is solid body, because in my version the only solid body option is came when I select the revolve outline command. But I see the some higher version of NX, the facet body is also available for selection of the for revolve outline. So in body pan, select this body. After selecting the body, the select access face is automatically selected by NX. You need to only select it OK. After clicking OK, just hide the original body and you can get the half revolve section of the body. Just double click on that section. Suppose here in outline plane you can able to choose other plane also. Okay, so for example here axis plane is this and specified normal plane is this. You can reverse its direction by double click on this that. In this reverse side, after clicking this arrow, you can change its direction to other side. Okay, just click OK. Suppose here I don't want this hole in my revolve outline section. So just double click on this revolve outline section, go to the exclusion plane here in exclusion plane pan, then select all the holes and then click OK. Now you get the revolve outline section without holes. So by using this command, you can find out the dimensions of the non-parametric body without going inside the drafting section, or you can use this section for further use. Okay, thank you.